we've been given gamma, which is basically the return on investment. We've got KE, we have earnings per share. The formula for market price or P0 in Walter's model is equal to the dividend. Okay, the dividend per share, maybe you can write that as DPS, plus R, which is your return on investment, upon KE, open bracket, earnings per share minus dividend per share. Okay, and this whole thing divided by KE. Now in the first case they're saying where the dividend payout ratio is 0. If dividend payout ratio is 0, understand that dividend is equal to dividend payout ratio into earnings per share. So if dividend payout is 0% of 10, so it is going to be 0. That means if we were to substitute this going further, we have 0 plus R, which is 15%. Okay, so we have 15%, and in brackets we have 10 minus 0 upon, okay, and first only over here, upon 0.10, and then the whole thing upon 0.10. Okay, now proceeding, we have 0 plus 15% of 10, okay, because 10 minus 0 is 10, so 15% of 10 is going to give me 1.5, which is going to be divided by 0.1, and the whole thing again 0.1. So proceeding further, 1.5 upon 0.1 gives me 15, 15 plus 0 is 15, again 0.1. Okay, so I've just solved for this. Now again we have to do for that. So 15 upon 0.1 gives me 150. And this is my answer for part A. As far as part B is concerned, they're saying that it is 100%. What is 100%? The dividend payout ratio. So first of all, my dividend per share is equal to dividend payout ratio into earnings per share. And they're saying it is going to be 100% of the earnings per share. Right, and the earnings per share is 10. So that means my dividend per share is 10, and I'm going to substitute it here. Okay, so P0 is equal to 10 plus the return on investment. Remember, the return on investment is 15%. Okay, so 15% divided by the KE, which is 10%. Okay, divided by the KE, which is 10%. And this time around, earnings per share is 10, dividend per share is also 10. Okay, and the whole thing again divided by 10%. And now we solve. Okay, so 10 plus, and we have 10 minus 10, which is 0. Okay, so it's basically 15% over 10%, but everything's multiplying by 0, so it simply becomes 0 upon 10%. So we have 10 upon 10%. Directly do this on the calculator, otherwise 10 upon 0.1 and then do on the calculator, you're going to get 100. So answer for part B, P0 is equal to 100. All the best.